Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us, there is only this present moment, and we are one. On diary entry number 1277. On the day after these sufferings, I can sense the condition of souls in their disposition towards God. I am pervaded with true knowledge. Sa araw, pagkatapos ng mga pagdurusang ito, nakadama ako ng kalagayan ng mga kaluluwa at ang kanilang disposisyon sa Diyos. Ako ay napabalot ng tunay na kaalaman. It was a gift for Faustina. She became more sensitive with souls. Parang ganito, no? Halimbawa, Faustina is sitting beside you and you do not know each other. Just by looking at you or being sitting beside you, Faustina could sense your soul, the level of your soul, whether you have committed a mortal sin at that an hour or some time ago, or your soul has been suffering, or you have been through depression or psychological depression, whatever you are feeling, or whether if you're happy or what, positive or negative, Faustina on that day was given the faculty to detect or sense the condition of souls. Parang manghuhula, no? Parang ganon. Forgive me for the term, no? Yung parang kung gusto mong malaman kung anong kalagayan ng mo, kaluluwa mo, pwede mo itanong sa kanya. Parang ganon siya. Kasi ngayon, pag nangyari yan, no? Hindi yan kasi inaalaw. Lalo na kung hindi confirmed or hindi verified yung kalagayan ng isang tao. But that's a gift. Many people or some people have that gift of sensing the kind of person that you are or what has been happening in your soul. Maraming nakaka-sense, nakakaunawa. How do you become sensitive to the sufferings of souls? Well, for Faustina, she had to undergo difficulties. So kahapon nakita natin, meron siya laging 3-hour agony. Yun pala ay pag-aalay or offering for those who have committed murder because of unwanted pregnancy. So abortion basically. She was able to feel the pain suffered by that soul. Yung nagpapa-abort. At simula nun, nakakadama na siya ng mga ganun. Before, meron naman siyang mga initial pero hindi niya gasinong na hindi katulad ngayon sa panahon na ito no na just by sitting beside her or basta na makikita na niya kung anong kalagayan ng kaluluwa. Kaya yung kalagayan ng kaluluwa ng kanyang spiritual director, si Father Michael, she could very clearly detect it. Alam niya yung mga sufferings na mangyayari dun sa pare in the future, no? Or in the near future, parang ganun. Or kung ano pinagdadaanan ng pare. Napakaganda sana ng ganitong gift. But this can only be given to someone who has, well, for me, no? Yun yung talagang legit. Ibibigay lang ito ng Panginoon yung ganitong kakayahan. If you have undergone levels of difficulties wherein you have passed successfully. Kung hindi ka naman nakaka-graduate, hindi ka nakakapasa sa mga pagsubok, hindi ka bibigyan ng Panginoon. Of course, there are other people, alam mo naman kung na ordinary lang just by looking at that person, no, alam mo na may gift din. Kaya lang, the quality would differ. The purer the soul, the better the gift. Yung mas nakikita niya talaga yung totoo. Yung reality or the truth on that person. Pero kung you're living in a life of extravagance, for instance or committing sin, and you had that gift, kasi makilala naman ako, pero na sila spiritual. Kaya lang, hindi masyadong reliable yung source nila. So that whenever they would say may ganun na silang pakiramdam to a person, hindi siya guaranteed because that person is not undergoing the purity of life. Hindi siya nag-undergo ng purification, hindi siya nagka-character building, no? Yung nagpapakabait, quote-unquote, no? Uh, may nakikitang nangangailangan ng tulong, wala lang, kibit-baikat lang. So, hindi ganun ka-sensitive. But, if you would really want this gift from God, be ready for the trials and sufferings, and you have to pass the sufferings or the tests. Successfully ma-pass mo yung test kasi otherwise, distorted pa rin yung makikita mo. We may be able to see or feel something pero distorted. You cannot rely on what you are feeling. So I don't know how to, I'm not that person. No, although I can say that I can feel that there's a problem somewhere somehow to a person pero hindi ko nakikita. I don't know, vision, hindi katulad ni Faustina. I just could feel that if a person needs some sort of advice or someone to cry on, parang gano'n, no? So, yung mastery level ay medyo mababa. But then, I have become somehow sensitive to other people, but I do not rely on that kasi nga, hindi naman, hindi naman ano, no, kumbaga, hindi ko rin masabi totoo o hindi. Basta, I could just feel there's a problem, pero hindi ko nakikita ang problema. Nairamdaman ko lang na malungkot or masaya or may pinagdadaanan. But I could not see what it is. So, distorted pa. Yun yung ibig sabihin. But siguro kung dadaan din ako sa napakaraming pagsubok na I would be triumphantly succeed in those trials, no, baka pa. But okay na ako ng ganito. Ang sa akin lang, kahit wala tayong ganong gift, may we be sensitive. Nakita mo yung isang pulubi na nasa kalsada, hinihingi sa'yo ng limos. Do not think twice kung bibigay ka ba o hindi. No? If you have something there, just give. Coin lang naman ang katapat niyan eh. Hindi naman nangihingi na 1,000. Malaking amount. Just coins. Kung naging sensitive ka, nagbigay ka, ganun, that would be good for your soul. Again, all the things that we do, may katapat lagi yan. May merit or demerit. Let's keep on doing things that would give us merit rather than demerit. Kasi when we are able to gain more merits in our life, convertible yan, kumbaga. Pwede mong i-convert into cash or kumbaga, no? Pwede siyang i-convert into cash whenever you need a cash. Or non-cash. Ibig sabihin, kapag kailangan mo na talaga ng tulong, mayroon kang mabubunot. You can say, Lord, pwedeng palambing, pa-withdraw, ganito, no? Pwede mo siyang kausapin sa Lord ng ganun. As long as we are really doing our best, if we are undergoing confession, kung kinakailangan, ano, naglilinis siya, part of it. No? We really have to cleanse everything from ourselves, whether you like it or not. Why? Because somehow, somewhere, we will have to pay for it. Hindi naman tayo maliligtas sa sinabi na ni Faustina, we will be accounted for all the sins, gaano man kalaki or kaliit. No? Hanggang sa pinakamaliit, sisingilin tayo. So it will always be better to do good and cleanse or purify in this lifetime na dito tayo sa mundo. And do not be afraid for the consequences for more gifts, because yun nga no, if we are given gifts, we will be responsible and accountable for the gift. Kung tumaas yung level ng gift sa'yo, abay, may responsibility ka na to use that accordingly. If you will not be able to use the gift in accordance with the will of God, may katapat pa rin. So be careful what you wish for. Kasi kapag pinagkaloob sa'yo, you have to be ready for the accountability.